not like them. When dad died, mommy died inside her mind. And shit changed, she fell down but she came back fighting. I grew up in the struggle, plotting and scheming to get my family out the jungle. Wheeling and dealing before we let our bellies rumble. I should've not the hustle if you never had the hustle. We just started China's up, survival of the fittest. Rags into riches, money over bitches. I'm like, tell me how you living. Looking in my mirror at myself like I did it, but I come up from the dirt, so don't nobody forget it. When I thought I was destined for nothing, sleeping at my cousin's, hiding all my weed up in his cupboard, stealing off another, just to see my. You didn't know that I'm the man, I'm about to underline it. I'm too high up for these snakes and now I'm dodging snipers, dodging bullets and then praying that they hitting pythons. I hope to go in peace and silence, but I bet it's violence. Fuck if I blow, you will know what I rap about. I just wanted money, now there's money in my bank account. And my little baby ain't gonna grow up on no hand-me-downs. Breadwinner putting food up in my family mouth.